You can hold it.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. 214 flagger! 214 flagger, I got one running.
When officers flipped on their lights for what looked like a routine traffic stop, there was no warning. No frantic call. No visible struggle. Just a white pickup easing toward the shoulder. But inside that truck, hidden on the floorboard, was a terrified 11-year-old boy praying not to be noticed. This was not a simple stop. This was the thin line between rescue and tragedy, and no one on scene knew it yet. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss these gripping, real-life emergency stories, because every second counts, and every story matters.
Sorry, all units 10-3 given. 214 we're going.
After 214, the teenager just took off in the white truck.
Who took off my truck? I'm doing. Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck? Who's got my truck?
Give me your hands.
Hey, I
Possible kidnapping charges.
You got me.
Put your hands behind your back then.
You got me.
You guys,
You got me.
Stop. Put your hand on the ground.
They told me to give you. You got my hand.
Yes, I got your hand because you grabbed my gun.
No, I did not. I said
DOT.
All right.
Southbound towards Royal Palms.
Who's got my truck? Can we get up? I got a piss. I got to really piss.
Hey, aggravated assault on LEO.
Can we
You
get
grabbed
up?
my gun. We got ag assault on Elio.
I'm trying to get up.
Sit up.
Okay, I am. I am not.
Stop.
Fighting. I'm not fighting off. Help me up. Help me up. Help me up.
One officer wrestles with the adult suspect, who resists with sudden, desperate violence. Another unit launches into pursuit, chasing the fleeing truck through traffic, through intersections, through the kind of risk-filled seconds where one wrong move changes lives forever.
Vehicles all over the road. Looks like we're coming to a stop at John Campbell, West 100. Vehicle just swerved into oncoming traffic.
You going? Take a seat. Vehicle's upside down on the wood line. Sheriff's office, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Lay down! Lay down! Lay down! Spread out on the floor! Spread out on the floor! Who else is in the car? Who else is in the car? Stand up, come to me now. Turn around. Turn around.
Yo, you put me in here.
Turn around.
Put it down. Look, get down on your face.
Get
Get on your face. Down on your face.
Yeah, go.
Get on your face. Get down on
Get on your face, do it now.
Behind your back. Do not move. Do not reach. Do not move. Put up behind the car.
Who else is in the car?
Nobody.
Get up. Are you good?
I'm not the seatbelt on. We're good. My pocket's here.
I just want to make sure you're good. That's my biggest concern.
I need to go to the hospital.
Is there anybody in the car?
No, sir.
The boy is pulled from hiding. He's alive. He's breathing. He's rushed to medical care. And for the first time in days, the nightmare stops moving. At the hospital, the truth begins to surface. The child tells investigators what happened. How trust was used against him. How pain was inflicted while someone else watched. How fear became constant. These are not details shared for shock, but for understanding. Evil doesn't always arrive loudly. Sometimes it whispers. Charges follow. Severe charges. Kidnapping. Abuse. Assault. Firearms offenses. The legal system begins its slow, necessary process, with all suspects presumed innocent until proven guilty. But for the child, the courtroom is only part of the story. Survival is the real headline. You would think this would be where the night ends. It isn't.
Where's my closest unit?
Because another call comes in. Another scene. Another test of survival. A collision. 2 vehicles. Injuries reported. Officers arrive expecting chaos from metal and glass.
Negative. Why don't you have a seat, sir?
I'm at North and like 10 right now.
Hey, everything's okay. Just have a seat. Have a seat for me. He's in and out of the car, looking around, not making any aggressive movements right now, but not complying with my verbal commands. Hey, why don't you have a seat? Have a seat for me, sir.
Call something, I'm arriving in the area.
Hey, have a seat. If you approach me, you're gonna get tased. Have a seat. You're not going near those people either. Have a seat or you're gonna get tased. He's attempting to approach the other car. I'm giving him verbal commands to stop approaching me. He's still approaching. He's gonna get tased.
Watch, traffic was first. Units are unable.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Tay's not working. Get on the ground now.
Out of there!
He's trying to get my gun.
Get out, motherfucker!
He's trying to get my gun.
He's trying to get my gun!
Drop it or I'll f***ing kill you.
Drop it or I'll f***ing kill you!
He doesn't.
I'm already dead anyway, motherfucker. Or I'll f***ing kill you.
I got it.
Hurry! Okay. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna tase you. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back, motherfucker. Okay. Go check yourself out. Go ahead. Hey, go in my back seat, grab my wrap.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
What's the status of all of our units?
We're all code 15 now. We just need some more to get them in the wrap and get them in the vehicle and handle the collision. Come here. Let me do it. I got gloves. Hey, dude, I just got out of training. Can you hold this so I can check on the 5-0? Not my jeans.
Put him in a recovery position on his side.
It's good. How are you?
Fine.
Let me take a look.
I just don't want to get my gun.
Nope, you did awesome. You're fine.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I hit him multiple times with that taser.
He's very intoxicated. So multiple taser deployments on this guy. I got 2 down here, 1 up there in this side there. Those are 2 from me. That is hers. All 10 are gone.
And then head injuries.
Hand injuries from being smacked in the head with a pistol, for grabbing a pistol. He has a laceration to the back of his head from being struck in the head with a pistol while trying to grab somebody else's pistol. Multiple taser deployments. Other than that, scrapes and bruises on the elbows, conscious breathing, intoxicated.
Okay, he was in one of the vehicles?
Yep, he was in that one over there.
Medics move in. The scene steadies. Later, the charges are read. Reckless driving. DUI. Resisting arrest. Assault. Disarming an officer. Again, presumed innocent until proven guilty. Again, the system moves forward. 2 scenes. 2 very different threats. One quiet and hidden. The other loud and explosive. This is the reality behind emergency lights and radio codes. Not every danger announces itself. Some hide in the back seat. Some charge head-on. Officers don't get to choose which kind they face. They only get seconds to react. And for the victims caught in the middle, especially children, those seconds decide everything. For understanding how thin the margin really is between ordinary and unthinkable. If this story gripped you, make sure to subscribe now so you never miss real-life rescues and high-stakes emergency situations. Like, comment, and share to support the channel, and stay with us as we bring you more of the moments that test courage, instinct, and survival.